Okay, so again, either from Safari or from the web, you're going to go to My Class, you're going to go to Modules, and underneath the General Information module, you're going to find the Webassign module. And what we're going to click on today and every day for homework is that top link that says Webassign Algebra 2 Honors 2022 and 23, okay? This is going to take you directly to Webassign, and it should remember who you are and log you in after today, okay? If by chance you're using another device or you want to be entering answers on a laptop, whatever it is outside your iPad, Webassign is web-based. It's webassign.net, and you can get there and you can log in once you've created this account. Yeah.
I haven't made an account yet, so
process. Once you click on it, it asks you to open into Safari, right? Or it says launch external tool. You're going to do that. And then you get to this screen and you want to click on create an account. No one should have an account yet, right? Like maybe next year when you go to do this at the beginning of the school year, they'll say, if you already have an account, you'll log in. But for right now, we don't have an account, so we're going to create it. You're going to click on create an account. And the next screen says student or instructor. You're a student, so you're going to click on student. And then it's going to take you to a slide that asks you for your email. This is going to be your school email. So your @students.mccarthyhigh email, which is 800 characters long. So type that whole thing in. And then it's going to ask you for your first name, your last name, and your birth year, just the year only, not your full birth date. And then you're going to agree to the terms. Feel free to say no to get notifications from Webassign. You don't need emails that you don't check anyways. And then you're going to go to the next screen. So you are in the Eastern Standard Time Zone. So if you just search for Eastern, it looks like it says GMT, and then it says, I don't remember, it'll say the time. And then it'll say US and Canada. That is your time zone. So if you just started to type Eastern, it should pop up, okay? But it'll say GMT for General Mountain Time, and then it will say the hour, and then it will say Eastern Standard Time - US Canada. That's your time zone. An email has been sent to, and then this will be your email. You're going to click. It says to go check your email. So you're going to go back to the email on your iPad. You're going to open up your email, and you should see an email from Cengage or from Webassign. Once you verify your email, it'll ask you to generate your password. Please remember this password. Okay, of course you can click forgot password, but if you want to make it similar, if not the same as your Canvas password or something like that, note that it has to have a lowercase, an uppercase, and a number in it. And then when it says success, it'll take you back to the dashboard, and it should look something like this. So this is what you should see after you log in every time now. So when you go back and you go to the module and you click on Webassign, it should remember who you are. If not, you'll have to log in, and then you'll always get to this kind of dashboard, which has your assignments on it. Now, right now there's no past assignments, but in a week from now, let's say right after Tuesday's date, which I actually have to change. Oh, no, Tuesday, like on the P3 homework, you see how it's due Tuesday, August 30th. That date's going to coincide with the same. There's going to also be an assignment on Canvas for you that will have the same date, okay? After that point, this assignment goes into past assignment. So there'll be another tab at the top. So if you're absent and you need to go to something that happened while you were gone, you can go to past assignments. Or if you want to check your answers, because I said, remember, you're going to be responsible for checking your answers in Webassign. That's how you would do it. You would go back to past assignments. If you are absent and it will say this assignment is late, there's a little red box that says request extension, and that sends me an email that says a student is trying to request extension on assignment, and I get to either approve it or disapprove it, okay? So obviously if you're absent, you'll send it that way. You'll put the reason why you're asking for an extension, and then when I approve it, you'll have access to that assignment again. In Webassign is not only your homework assignments, but if you were to scroll down, I have a screenshot, so I don't have the same thing, but if you scroll all the way down the right-hand side, you'll actually see a physical picture of your book. This is where your ebook lives. So this is where your entire textbook is. This is how you'll access your textbook. I had you download chapter 1 or chapter P, but after that, we're moving into the textbook, okay, which would be that ebook. When you're done and you've gotten your full score, you're going to see at the box, like there's going to be a green check or an X for each of these. If they're multiple points, you can earn partial. It might be like 1 out of 2 points, or if there's a lot of points assigned to one question, it might give you half. Whatever it is that you get, you're going to make sure that I can see, obviously, your name and your information in the top. You're going to make sure I can see this full box of results. There are 17 questions in tonight's homework. If you open it up, you'll see that it cuts off that box at like 10 questions. You need to give me the full results. The easiest way to do it is split your screen.